guys, welcome back to my channel. I want to show you first the items I'm going to use today for my DIYs. They need some fixing. They are all from the dumpster, and as you can see, some of them are not in perfect shape. In this case, this is okay, but has two parts missing because it was a salt and pepper shaker's base, but I'm going to use it for something else. It was from Pier 1 Imports, the now defunct Pier 1 Imports. So just wait a moment and you will see what I'm going to do with them. Okay, now my items are ready. I fixed the frame. I'm going to start with the frame because it's the simplest DIY that I have for you today. I fixed the corner, I glued it, and I added a little bit of a popsicle stick that I cut, and I reinforced the corner. I place the glass back where it belongs, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to add I found this bag at Dollar Tree. It's really beautiful, and the other side is glitter. The right side is glitter. I hope you can see the details. So I really love it, and I'm going to place it on one wall. So I cut it to size. I still have to cut this side. I made a mark. It's really easy, and it just takes a few minutes for you to have a beautiful frame for your wall. So I'm going to place it here. Like so, and I'm going to place the cardboard in the back again, and just fold the flaps as they were in the beginning. Just very quick DIY, and hopefully it looks beautiful. I think it looks really beautiful. I love it. Okay, let's move on to the second item. You remember I have this thingy. This is the original use for this thingy. So I painted it white. I'm not going to use it for those spools of thread. I fixed it as best as I could. It's not perfect, but it's all I could do. And now I'm going to decorate it. I'm going to add some glam to it. First, here. I'm going to add these details. So let me see, because there is one that is not broken. I cut it because I was going to use it for some other stuff, and I decided not to, so I have to be careful. But this is okay, so I'm going to add this here. I'm going to add a little dot of hot glue because they are self-adhesive, but the adhesive is not working as it should in all the decoration. So now I'm going to add this one. I will add glue in the corners later. I don't want to spend a lot of time showing you how to do something that you know how to do. So this is the hardest part because you have all the other things in front, but I know I can do it. Let's take the third one. In the meantime, let me tell you that I am participating in the Useful Challenge. This is a monthly challenge, hosted by MomDas from MomDas Life Handmade. And her co-host this month is Regal Designs by Shushana. I will leave the link to their channels in the description box as usual, and also the link to the playlist with all the videos participating in this challenge. So please visit their channels and watch the videos in the playlist. The theme of the challenge this month is Trash to Treasure. So this is perfect because, as I told you in the beginning, these are all items I found in the dumpsters because my daughter and I are dumpster divers. So we find a lot of nice things in the dumpster. Our channel is Dumpster Chicks. It's going to be linked in the description box also. So if you want to pay a visit, you will make us very happy. And oh my god, I'm having trouble with this. This is twisted. I'm going to fix it later with the little dot of glue there. This is the one that was cut that I told you about. I'm going to add glue to this tip. And let's see. Stay there, please. Okay. So, this is what I'm doing to the front of each row. And I want to see how it looks if I add some rhinestones here. I think they're going to look good. So let's do this. Okay, I have finished adding the rhinestones and giving this piece a little bit of glam. And I'm going to show you why I'm doing this and what I am going to use this for. This is for a friend of mine. She always complains that all her rings are all around the place and she never can find them. She uses small Tupperwares to have them all in the same place. So I told her, give me your rings and I will help you. So I'm going to use this as a ring holder. As you can see, I can add all her rings. Sorry. These are some of them. She gave me some. And they look great and all in one place and easy to reach for them. And you remember that I had another item that is going to complement this one. It was the base of salt and pepper shaker from Pier 1. What I'm going to do is just add these rhinestones, these flourishes that are self-adhesive. I started with that one, and I'm going to add this one, this side, if I can. The other one was easier to remove from the acetate. This is giving me a hard time, but here we have it. So I'm going to start in the same spot that on the other side. Remember that I suffer from essential tremors, so some stuff is hard for me. That's why my hands shake so much. So these kind of things are hard for me to handle, but I don't give up. I keep on doing what I like. So please be patient, bear with me, and I will be finishing this soon. I hope. Let me press, and here we go. Yeah, they look very similar. And for this center I have this other piece of the flowers. The flowers are these ones. I just cut pieces, you know, here to use as the core. So let's see if I can get the effect I want. So if you don't know what essential tremors are, you can Google it. It's not life-threatening, but it's progressive, and it really makes your hand shake a lot. Not only your hands, your head, and it depends where it affects you. But it's not nice, but well, I can't do anything about it, just deal with it and not let it interfere much with my crafting. And again, I'm going to add hot glue if needed. So I wanted this to complement that, so she can add more rings, for example, like here and here, and have two places to have her rings in one place or two places. Sorry. So I think this is really useful, and you may be wondering if this is a useful challenge, why I'm making a frame, which is a piece of the core. It's not useful, but yes, it is useful for me, because I have wall art, and I have a frame with a wintry motif image, and now spring is coming, and I needed a new frame with something springy to hang in there. So this is very useful to me. I can replace that frame with this for the season, and I really love it. If you like my creations, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you're not a subscriber already, and ring the bell to be notified whenever I upload a new video. Thank you so much to both hostesses for hosting this challenge. Please visit their channels and watch the videos in the playlist linked below. Thank you so much to all of you for watching my videos. Hope to see you in my next one, and have a wonderful, wonderful day. Bye-bye.